AMG Hyper Saloons, both GT63S, but we've got a normal one and an edition one. I want to show you what they both sound like and the differences of design in both of them. So first of all, the edition one, only available in this matte black, Magno Graphite Grey as it's called, but very much a matte black. You've got the racing stripes, as is often common in edition ones as well. Aerodynamic pack comes standard, yellow calipers, as is on the same on the S models on all GTs, and we've got the satin duotone multi-spokes as well, which look great. Overall, the effect of the edition one, very stealthy, very exclusive, completely out of production now, this car, so you cannot get it or order it anymore. Very, very special looking indeed. Inside it gets even more special because it's all inspired by the GT2 door. See the AMG bucket seats, but we have got black Napa, black Dynamica, yellow stitching, just like you see in the GTR, and even matte carbon fiber. So the interior of this looking absolutely stunning. You also get interior night package, which is the black trim there on the steering wheel rather than the chrome. Again, looking really, really good. Yellow seat belts. Oh, it just looks fantastic. This is then in stark contrast to a standard GT63S, if you can ever call it such a thing, where you can do essentially whatever you want spec wise. So I've got the opposite. I've got gloss carbon fiber, we have saddle brown and black interior with black Dynamica, and not the bucket seats. Instead we've got the normal standard seats with the AMG crest, carbon steering wheel instead, and the chrome trim. So much you can customize. But again, even in this GT63, still have the aero package, custom paint, Magno brilliant blue, both looking incredible in their own right. Now you want to hear them. That is despite having OPF and limited to 4,000 revs. What beast. And we'll end it with this one. What an incredible duo of cars. If you want to see the full review on the GT63S, it's coming up on YouTube soon. Link in bio.